Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are doing what's called demo or demolition. In addition, we will be installing granite countertops. The area they're removing right now will consist of the microwave and the built-in vent hood later on. The skill they use in removing it is very important because the drywall, as you can see, has been kept intact, and that will reduce expense later on in the process. Diego, you've been doing this for how long?
Over 6 years.
Over 6 years. And what is the most difficult part of installing granite? What do you run across?
The most difficult is when you're to put the two pieces together to seam it. Make sure the seam is really closed and the coloring is almost perfect to the color of the stone. You don't want to do it too light, you don't want to do it too dark. You want them to be almost perfect to it.
So what happened here? I saw that these were together earlier and now you've separated them. Why is it that they couldn't be put together in this case?
In this case, the seam is not perfectly straight, so we're gonna make sure that we align it. So when we put it together, they're close less than 1/16 of an inch.
Less than 1/16 of an inch.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We're now preparing the undermount sink to be affixed to the countertop. Here it's clamped on as the glue solidifies to hold it in place.
No, I see.